Hello, also today I'm going to review this YFL mixer grinder which we got from Amazon for 5599. It is for like 1200 watt. It comes with a caution that do not operate for more than 60 seconds continuously because there are chances that the motor may get damaged. So let's open and see how the packaging looks like. So this is BlendLab Pro 2.0. The packaging looks quite decent. Let's open and see what are the attachments that we got inside it. Okay, so this comes with a card that has a QR code that we can use to get some discount, I guess, and this is the user guide. So this is the motor. This motor is like for 1200 watt, which will help in making the blending work easy, I guess. Here I can see there are 4 modes like on and off, smart blend, power blend and pulse blend, which we will use later. This is a zipper lid. This is a normal lid. Okay, so we got these extra attachments. So this is the smaller jar. I'm surprised to see that this has 6 blades. This is the bigger one. So this also have 6 blades, I can see. Impressive. So here it is mentioned that we need to lock the jar with the motor properly, then only it will get switched on. So here I have taken some sugar along with some curd to see that how much time it will take to blend the sugar inside this. So I'm using the smart blend option, and trust me, when I was doing this it just took me 15 seconds and the entire sugar was blended with this curd, because once I opened this lid I was not able to see a single sugar particle that was left out. So quite impressive. So now we are going to try a vegetable juice. So we took some beetroot, carrots, some cucumbers and some other vegetables as well to see how it will work. So here we thought of using the power blend option. So the moment we pressed on power blend, within seconds the work was done, and I think it just took 10 to 12 seconds to blend the entire vegetables. You can see over here the results as well, and we were able to make this juice within, I would say, no time. So it's a big thumbs up. So if you have any questions you can just comment below. Thanks for watching.